Today we will discuss about MISC. MISC is multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, which is a rare complication of COVID-19. It usually happens between 2 weeks to 2 months after recovering from COVID-19. So the timeline of this disease is not clearly defined. It is important for all the parents to know the symptoms of MISC and when they should visit the doctor, because even though the disease is very severe, but if it is picked up on time with adequate treatment, then some children they will recover within few days. What are the symptoms of MISC? If your child has fever of more than 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, your child has stomach pain, loose motions, diarrhea, vomiting, rash over the body which is red in color, there is a bleeding from nose, bleeding from the lips, the eyes are red, the lips are red or cracked. Even there are some other symptoms also post-COVID, like severe headache post-COVID, severe chest pain post-COVID. Any of these symptoms should not be ignored and you should consult your pediatrician at the next available appointment. What are the serious symptoms of MISC in which you should not waste any time and immediately rush to the emergency? If your child is having high-grade fever which is not getting controlled with medicines, your child is going on sleeping, even if you are trying to wake up your child will not be able to get up. Persistent loose motions, decreased urination, the urine output of your child is decreased. That is, he is not passing the urine at a proper in a reasonable quantity after at least 6 to 7 hours. There is significant bleeding from any part of the body, from any side of the body, like it may be the blood in the vomit, blood in the stool, bleeding from the nose, bleeding from the lips, severe headache, severe chest pain, bluish and greyish discoloration of lips, tongue and even your fingertips. These are the cases you should immediately rush to the hospital. Now the problem is, your child may have had asymptomatic COVID and you do not know that your child have COVID. And now suddenly your child shows the symptoms like high fever, loose motions and the symptoms I just mentioned. These symptoms can be because of COVID as well. That's why it is important, if your child has significant fever along with any other symptom in this pandemic, consult your pediatrician immediately. As the name suggests, MISC can involve multiple systems of the body. It may involve your heart, lungs, stomach, kidney or brain. Timely treatment is very important and has almost 100% recovery. But if diagnosis and treatment gets delayed, then some children may develop more complications and maybe even death. That's why it is very important to know the symptoms of MISC.